beneath the crooked bell tower of the town. Some swear they still can hear the steps or stories sewn between the houses like memories hung out on lines of thread. Grandma says don't come home too late. The dude starts talking when night falls, and the wind carries names never forgotten, written in chalk upon the wall. They're local legends, only half of them true. They live in empty glasses and in the voice of those who knew. If you believe they'll hold you, if you laugh they slip away. They're local legends, roots and make-believe. There's the ghost of the old miller, still wandering along the stream, and the kindly witch by the rose bush who heals the heart and lights a flame. The bridge creaks at midnight when those who never return pass by, and the dog howls without reason, but the reason's known by God alone. They're local legends, hard-bred and true. A little fear, a little lesson for the ones who grow and move. You tell them just for laughter, but they cling to you the most. They're local legends, like red mud on your boots. Whoa. Tomorrow the town changes name, and the bar turns into a store. As long as someone sings these stories, nothing is ever gone for sure. They're local legends, they never ask you why. They walk beside the roadside and sometimes speak to you inside. As long as there's a broken voice and a fire burning bright, they're local legends. We'll stay right here tonight, beneath the crooked bell tower of the town. The stories sleep, but they never die.